Avocado oil is not only a versatile ingredient, but also packed with numerous health benefits. Let's dive into how you can make your own avocado oil at home and why it's worth the effort. How to make avocado oil. Gather your ingredients. Start with ripe avocados. You'll need about 10 to 12 avocados to produce a small bottle of oil. Extract the pulp. Cut the avocados in half, remove the pits, and scoop out the flesh. Place the avocado flesh into a blender or food processor. Blend to a paste. Blend the avocado until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Heat the mixture. Transfer the avocado paste to a large saucepan. Cook it over low heat, stirring constantly to avoid burning. You'll notice the oil starting to separate from the pulp after about 45 minutes. Strain the oil. Once you see enough oil has separated, remove the mixture from the heat. Use a cheesecloth or fine strainer to extract the oil from the pulp. Squeeze out as much oil as possible. Store the oil. Pour the extracted oil into a clean, dry glass bottle. Store it in a cool, dark place. Benefits of avocado oil: rich in nutrients. Avocado oil is packed with vitamins A, D, and E, which are great for skin and overall health. Heart health: it's high in monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Anti-inflammatory properties: the oil contains oleic acid, which has anti-inflammatory effects that can benefit joint health. Versatile use: you can use avocado oil in cooking, baking, or even as a moisturizer for your skin and hair. Making your own avocado oil ensures you get a pure, unrefined product that maximizes these benefits. Give it a try and enjoy the natural goodness of avocado oil in your daily routine.